Hello, this is part 2 of talking about community signs. Today we are going to be talking about the walk sign, the bike lane sign, the red light sign, and a school zone sign. Okay? So the first sign is the walk sign. So this is what it looks like. And you can find it around traffic lights when you're trying to cross the street and walk across. Or you could find it on just regular crosswalks without a traffic light or a stoplight. This shows where you can cross the street. Okay. And what does it mean? It means walk. So the next one is the bike lane sign. This is what it looks like right here. It can be a regular sign on the street, or it could be painted into the street like this, and this is what you see many times on the street, and this just signifies that only bikes can go in this lane, okay? This is a red traffic light, and it means to stop. It could be at a kind of regular traffic intersection with the red, yellow, and green light, or it could just be a red light, and this also signifies to stop. So when you see a red light, that is telling vehicles to stop. And then the final one is the school zone one. So I have two different ones on here. So I have a school zone crossing, and you can see that it has these two lines right here to show a crosswalk. And I just have a regular school zone. So the difference is oftentimes you'll see this one where students or people can cross the street near a school. So you can kind of see in this picture right here, these two boys are waiting to cross the street here, and that's a school zone crossing. Where this one, school zone, is just letting people know that there is a school nearby, okay? And so it might show up here, just letting cars and people know that there is a school nearby, and you may need to watch your speed. Okay, so we are going to do another activity using the signs that we learned. We're also going to use the signs that we learned in part 1, so we can't forget about those, okay? First one, what sign might you find here? So go ahead and pause the video. Tell me if it's the do not enter sign, the walk sign, or the red light sign. The correct answer is the walk sign. So you can see we have a crosswalk right here, and it's likely that we will see the walk sign to let people know that we can walk there. And I bet you it's this sign right here in the corner. Okay, so go ahead and pause the video and tell me which sign you might see here. If you said the school zone sign, you would be correct. So this is a school, so you would likely see the school zone sign. If you remember from part 1, this is the danger sign, and this is the do not enter sign, okay? But it's likely we will see the school sign here. All right. Go ahead and pause the video and let me know which sign you are likely to see here. If you chose the stop sign, you are correct. So it looks like these cars are coming to a four-way stop, and it's likely that there will be stop signs at each of these corners to let them know. I don't see any bike lanes, so the bike lane sign doesn't work, and I do not see a hospital nearby, so the hospital sign will likely not be there either. Okay, go ahead and pause the video and let me know what sign you might find here. If you chose the bike lane, You are correct. So this lane right here is meant for bicycles. And this is a bike lane, and this is the sign you would likely see either painted on the cement on the street or just a sign like this to the side. I do not see a hospital nearby in the picture, and I don't see a space where you aren't allowed to enter, so that one would be incorrect as well. All right, last one. What sign might you find here? Go ahead and pause the video. All right, if you chose the hospital sign, you would be correct. So these are ambulances, likely at a hospital. I don't think a bike lane sign is necessary, and we aren't at a traffic stop, so the hospital sign makes the most sense. All right, and that is all that I have.